pretty sure that email is the holy grail of business success. My husband Sean and I started an automotive museum in 2017 with just one car. That's right, just one. We had no other exhibits, no stacks of cash, no supporters or backers. We just had a small opportunity for a space and decided to run with it. And we were lucky. We were marketers, and this wasn't our first business, but it was our first brick and mortar local business, and that meant we had new challenges. But we knew the fundamentals that worked. And one of the first things that Sean did was he set up his email list. Why? Because after working with thousands of business owners over the years, we know that email marketing works. Here are just some of the benefits of email marketing. Email marketing works to keep you top of mind. It works to bring people in. It works to get people to buy from you again. It works to get reviews and testimonials. And the data on email is insane. For every dollar spent, email marketing gets you back $42. That's a 4,200% return on investment. And that is not easy for marketing channels to even come close to. Sending emails to the Miles Through Time email list has resulted in sales, donations, supporters, volunteers, events, magazine articles, podcast interviews, radio interviews, invitations, trips, and more opportunities than we could have ever imagined, all from email marketing. But what is email marketing? Is it just a broadcast that you send out? Is it a newsletter? What is email marketing and how does it work? I want to show you what is email marketing and how email marketing actually works. What is email marketing strategy, how you do email marketing campaigns, and what you can do to measure the effectiveness of your email marketing. I also want to talk to you about the amazing results that you, yes, you, can get from email marketing strategies. So what is email marketing? Email marketing involves creating and sending out digital messages, typically to a group of recipients known as your email list. Now, the purpose of email marketing is usually either to build relationships with your potential customers or to drive sales through special offers or coupons. The benefits of email marketing. Email marketing really is one of the most effective ways to reach your customers. Unlike social media or paid advertising, email allows you to directly contact your audience and build a relationship with them. And unlike other forms of marketing, email is cheap and it's easy to set up. Plus, it can be highly personalized, so you can segment your list and you can send relevant content to each group. As a result, email marketing can be an extremely effective way to grow and boost your sales and to grow your business. How does email marketing work? The process of email marketing generally includes creating a list of potential customers or subscribers, and then crafting messages to be sent and sending out the messages using an email marketing service to your email subscribers. Email marketing can be a great way to reach out to potential customers and promote your product or service. However, not all emails are created equal. Some types of emails are more effective than others at getting the attention and sparking interest. Here are a few of the most common email used in email marketing. Sales emails. These emails typically promote a specific product or a service and include a call to action encouraging the recipient to purchase. Then there's newsletters. These are often sent on a regular basis. Newsletters keep subscribers up to date on what's happening with your company and can include special offers or coupons. Announcements. Announcements are a great way to let email subscribers know about important news such as a new product launch or an upcoming event. Then there are lead nurturing emails. These emails provide valuable content that help build relationships with potential customers and move them farther down the sales funnel. A great one to start with is your welcome email for your new subscribers. By understanding the different types of emails used in email marketing, you can ensure that your messages are effective and that you are getting the results that you're looking for. And email marketing is effective. Email marketing can be an effective way to reach a large audience with a relatively low investment of both time and money. When done correctly, email marketing can be a powerful tool for building relationships and driving sales. The first thing you need to do is to have a software to properly send your emails. And Email Essential is an email service provider. For email marketing to work properly, and legally, you need to use what's known as an email service provider to send your marketing emails. An email service provider is a software that sends and manages your email list and your email marketing campaign. It's also referred to as an email marketing platform, an email marketing service, or an email marketing tool. You might be wondering, why can't I just send email marketing messages through my regular inbox, right? Do you really need to pay for a product on top of that? Technically, it is possible, but for the hassle and the time spent and the lack of functionality to effectively send campaigns or to measure their effectiveness, you really should just go with an email service platform. These email marketing platforms even come with pre-built email marketing templates, pre-built email campaigns, newsletter templates, email marketing automation, and so much more that make creating professional, highly effective marketing campaigns really easy, even for beginners. You can even use free email marketing services to get started. So I have a best email marketing tools for some options that I will link below. Using an email marketing software is also going to allow you to create email marketing strategy that works for your business goals. Gmail and Outlook will not do it for you, trust me. So what is email marketing strategy? Email marketing strategy is the process of planning and creating and then executing your email campaigns with the goal of achieving business objectives. Some of the most common objectives of email marketing are to build your brand awareness, to generate leads, or to drive sales. However, it can also be used to achieve other goals like fostering customer loyalty or increasing your website traffic. Email marketing strategy typically includes elements such as segmentation, targeting your audience, working on your messaging, and your calls to action. This is important to test different elements of this strategy to see what works best for your business. How do email marketing campaigns work? Email marketing campaigns are a system of emails that work together to send your recipients through the customer journey. They are not a single broadcast or an email newsletter to inform, but they're multiple emails that work together to guide readers towards a specific action. So how do you create an email marketing campaign? Well, email marketing campaigns are an effective way to reach your potential and current customers. And by sending these targeted emails with valuable content, you can stay top of mind, build relationships that lead to conversions. With your email service provider, you will be able to set up an email sequence that you can send out automatically. This email automation makes your email marketing efforts even easier because you don't have to physically send out every single email one by one. The software does it for you. When creating your email marketing campaigns, there are a few things that you want to keep in mind. First, you want to define your goals. What do you actually want to achieve with your campaign? More website visitors, more leads, more customers? It's best to focus a single campaign on a single goal. If you send an email and you try to get your subscribers to do too many things, chances are they're going to do none of them. So, singular goal. Next, you want to segment your list. Who are you targeting with your campaign? You want to make sure that you send relevant and targeted messages to each segment. Now, a segment could include customers that purchased a specific product or a service, or subscribers that have shown interest in a service. For example, my kids' karate school would send everyone every single email, and it was so confusing and super inconvenient. I got notices for the tiny munchkin classes and the black belts, and my kids were neither. And then I would have to pick through every single email and try to figure out if it actually applied to my kids. And segmenting your email marketing software is actually pretty easy to do, and it can make your email marketing campaigns much more effective and your customers much happier and less confused. Next, you want to create great content. Your email's content should be valuable to your recipients. Think about what you would want to read or see and then create accordingly. Next, you want to get the timing right. Timing is everything when it comes to email marketing. You want to make sure that you send your messages at the right time when your recipients are engaged and likely to read them. I recently signed up for a brand archetype test while doing some research for an article, and the results were super interesting, but very, very brief. And so I went to my email to see what else was sent. I wanted to know more, but there was nothing. I was super bummed. So I actually went and I searched my brand architect online, and I found several websites that were rich in information, the information that I wanted about my archetype. Then several days later, I received an email from the original person that I took the test with. But by that time, it was too little, too late, and I actually unsubscribed. I was highly interested when I got my results, and that was the time that they should have sent me more information and began to walk me through their customer journey for their business. But even that email that I received from them days later really didn't engage me or lead me down the customer journey. I didn't know what they offered. They didn't give me a lot that was really interesting that I wanted to grasp on. I didn't know if they were selling anything. So as you can see, timing can make or break your email campaign's effectiveness. So think about what your audience wants when they actually sign up for your email list and figure out that timing, and you can work that all out in your email software. Next, you want to test. You always want to test your emails before you send them out to your entire list. This will help you catch any errors and make sure that your emails look great. Email marketing campaigns can be a great way to boost your business. And by following these tips, you can create campaigns that are successful and achieve your goals. Now, let's cover how to get started. I have 5 steps to get started with email marketing. So now that you see how email marketing can be a powerful tool, let's go over the 5 steps of email marketing to get you started. Number 1, you want to find your audience. This is the first and most important step. You need to know who you are trying to reach before you even start crafting your message. Next, you want to write a great subject line. The subject line is what will make or break your email. It needs to be interesting and attention-grabbing enough to get people to actually open your email. Next, you want to make your content awesome. Once people have opened your email, they need to be impressed by what they see. Your content needs to be well-written, relevant, and interesting. You want to include a call to action. Every email should have a call to action, whether it's click here to learn more or forward this email to a friend. Without a call to action, people will simply delete your email after reading it. So you don't want to miss out on this easy opportunity to get them to take action. You want to make sure that you monitor your results. Keep track of how many people open your emails and click your links. This will help you gauge the effectiveness of your email marketing campaign and easily allow you to make adjustments. So let's talk a little bit though about how to measure the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. What are the KPIs for email marketing? Now that you see that email marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach and engage your audience, let's talk about measuring its effectiveness. With so many metrics to track, it can be difficult to know which email marketing KPIs, key performance indicators, are the most important ones to focus on. And as a business owner, you should be tracking at least a few metrics in order to gauge the success of your email marketing campaigns. These metrics are going to help you understand what's working and what needs improved. Here are a few email marketing KPIs that every small business owner should track. So the first one is your open rate. Your open rate is the percentage of people who open your email. This is a really good metric to track because it shows you how many people are actually interested in your email content. Now, to improve your open rate, you can try segmenting your list so that you're only sending emails to people who are interested in that topic. Remember, like the karate scheduling? You can also experiment with different subject lines and email types such as plain text or HTML to see which gets more people to open your emails. So next, you want to look at your click-through rate. Your click-through rate is a percentage of people who click on a link in your email. This metric is important because it shows how effective your email content is at driving people to your website or your landing page. Now, to improve your click-through rate, you want to make sure that your email target is relevant and targeted to your audience. You should also include that strong call to action we talked about that will motivate people to click. Next, you want to look at your conversion rate. Your conversion rate is the percentage of people who take a desired action after clicking on a link in your email. Now, this metric is important because it shows you how effective your email marketing is at driving conversions. To improve your conversion rate, you can make sure that you're sending targeted emails to people who are likely to be interested in your offer. You should also include a strong call to action and make it easy for people to convert by providing a short form or a landing page. Next, you want to look at your unsubscribe rate. Your unsubscribe rate is the percentage of people who unsubscribe from your email list after receiving one of your emails. This email metric is important because it shows you how many people are no longer interested in your email content. Now, unsubscribes are going to happen, so don't think just because you got an unsubscribe that it's bad, but a lot of unsubscribes you really need to look into. To improve your unsubscribe rate, make sure that you're only sending emails to people who have opted in to receive them. You should also make it easy for people to unsubscribe if they no longer want to receive your emails. You can also look at your bounce rate. Your bounce rate is the percentage of people who do not receive your email because it actually actually bounced back. It was undeliverable. Now, this metric is important because it shows you how many people are not even receiving your emails. Now, and to improve your bounce rate, you want to make sure that you're using a valid email list and that your email addresses are up to date. You could also segment your email list so that you are only sending emails to people who are likely to be interested in your content. Want to know what a good click-through rate or open rate is for your industry? I will put a link to an email stats article that I have on my website that will tell you exactly what are great email click-through rates for your industry. Email is a powerful tool for driving engagement and conversion, but to be successful, you need to focus on the right KPIs. These 5 email marketing KPIs are a good place to start. So does email marketing get results? Email marketing really is one of the most effective ways to reach your target audience. In fact, studies show that email marketing has a higher ROI than any other form of digital marketing. Include marketing channels like social media and even paid advertising. And it's not just because email is free to send, it's also incredibly effective. Email marketing allows you to build relationships with your subscribers and keep them updated on your latest products and offers. It also allows you to segment your list like we talk about, so you can send relevant and targeted emails to the right people at the right time. So if you're looking for ways to get more out of your digital marketing budget, grow your business, sell more, and build relationships with your customers, email marketing is a great place to start. It worked for our museum, it worked for our clients, and it's worth learning email marketing for your business and giving it a shot. And remember, you don't need crazy tech skills, buckets of cash, or dedicated staff to market your business. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart, and email marketing is definitely smart for your business.